Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying it with a non-contact tester. This is crucial for safety. Once done, set up a stable ladder, gloves, and the basic tools, screwdriver and voltage tester. You should photograph the sensor and wiring now because remembering where each wire goes saves time later. If you have a replacement sensor ready, keep it handy. Otherwise, remove the cover and expose the wiring carefully so you can inspect for obvious damage or loose connections. Now you inspect the sensor and housing. Look for loose terminals, corrosion, or water entry that commonly causes failure. You should use a multimeter to test for expected voltage at the sensor output and for continuity on expected circuits. If readings are erratic or absent, the sensor is likely bad. Once you confirm the sensor, replace it carefully, matching wire colors and securing connectors. Also swap the lamp to ensure the problem isn't the bulb or fixture before sealing everything back up. After reconnecting wires and fastening the sensor housing, restore power and perform a live test, trigger the sensor and observe the output. You should then adjust sensitivity, time delay, and dusk-to-dawn thresholds to eliminate false triggers or missed activations. Small tweaks make a big difference. If the unit still misbehaves, verify supply voltage and neutral continuity, and try a proven good sensor to rule out wiring. One key tip: intermittent faults often point to loose neutrals or moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.